Are you tired of not getting any traffic? Are you looking to start ranking on Google's first page? If so, then welcome. This is the SEO Masterclass, and my name is Robin.
And my name is Jesper, and we are digital marketing professionals that have been teaching thousands of freelancers, small business owners, and everyday people how to use and how to master search engine optimization in order to start ranking on Google, get more traffic without spending any money, get more clients, and grow your business.
Did you know that if your website is not optimized, Google will not rank it? In fact, 91% of all websites will never get any organic traffic. That means that if you're not doing SEO on your content and website, no matter how good your content and website might be or look, you're not going to get any traffic, which means no business.
In this course, you learn how to spy on your competitors' SEO, use their keywords and outrank them with it on Google. You learn how to master the #1 ranking factor on Google, which is backlinks. Whether you want to sell something, expand your brand, or grow your website as a hobby, then this course is for you.
And remember, you're protected by a 100% money-back guarantee, which means that there's absolutely no risk in start learning right away. We'll continue updating and expanding our courses to make sure that you're up to date with the latest updates and material.
We've also included premium coaching in this course, so that means that we will be answering any of your questions in the Q&A section within 24 hours. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and we'll see you inside of this course.